The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
True or false? $2,000 can make your child's future brighter.
True.
That's right! By investing as little as $2,000 per month in the Burrita Money Market Fund, you can be financially ready to help your child get the education needed for a brighter future. Start early, and you can put aside any amount you're comfortable with. Take my advice. Call Burrita Investments today, the Burrita Money Market Fund, your tuition builder.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report for January 1, 2013. A 4-year IMF facility is vital for the Jamaican economy at this time, particularly against the background of the need to shore up investor confidence and unlock cheaper funds from multilaterals such as the IDB and the World Bank. However, even before a formal deal is signed, Jamaica has to show it's serious about beginning the process of reducing debt, having a larger primary surplus, and instituting growth strategies, or in IMF jargon, prior action. Now, Chief Strategist at Scotiabank Jamaica, Dr. Adrian Stokes, says the issue of prior action is a very important part of the equation to secure an extended deal with the IMF. We spoke to Dr. Stokes via telephone and asked him whether the new tax measures involving travel and the aggressive posture on outstanding traffic fines were part of this prior action.
As far as the negotiations go, prior actions are very, very, very important. Now, in terms of the heightened activity on traffic fines and so on, I doubt those will be part of any prior action. I think that those are what we're seeing is more administrative tightening by the government to collect monies that are out there. But I don't doubt those would be specific prior actions that are being negotiated with the IMF.
I asked Dr. Stokes how important was a public show of support from his cabinet colleagues for Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips and his negotiating team.
It's very important. I think everyone wants to ensure that the government is singing from the same hymn book, and we need to have the confidence that the cabinet is moving in the same direction. Keep in mind that a lot of things that the government will have to do will be difficult things, and they certainly will require the buy-in of everyone, including the cabinet members.
Over the weekend, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips conceded that an IMF deal would not have been concluded in 2012, while at the same time saying talks were almost complete. Private sector leaders emphasized how important it was for the country to throw its support behind Phillips and the team, with President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, Chris Zaka, even calling on better public support for Phillips from his cabinet colleagues. General Manager of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street-Forrest, has described the massive oversubscription of Paramount Trading's initial public offering as a sign of investor confidence in the company. She was addressing yesterday's ceremony for the formal listing of Paramount Trading on the junior market.
The company raised $74.87 million, which is what it sought. It is interesting to note, however, that the applicants applied for 266.8 million units, valued at $648 million. I think the message is twofold: that investors want to invest in companies such as Paramount that have a great prospect, and that monies are available for the right investments.
The Waltham Park Road-based Paramount Trading mainly supplies food and industrial chemicals. That's the Owen James Report for January 1, 2013. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.